What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I said in the last video, when the stuff comes, I'm gonna show y'all, because I told y'all I had looked up some stuff for the baby and I ordered some stuff. I kind of went overboard. I really didn't go overboard. It's just I felt like I did because it was from the stuff I got was from the NBA store, and they stuff ain't just all the way cheap. So that's why I feel like I went overboard. But I didn't even get that much stuff though. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, like, this box was really kind of already open because I did look at this, but I didn't take it out of the packages. I just looked at the stuff. But I'm still gonna be unboxing it for y'all. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Open up the box. And I'm gonna show y'all the first thing that caught my eye that I said that I was gonna have to get for my baby was this cute little, they're still in the plastic, I'm gonna take it out of the plastic, with this cute little bear. I seen it and I had to just go ahead and jump on it and get it because they was running out of stuff quick. I think it was only like 4 of these left, and I was like, I want that, I need it, I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna take it out of the pack. It's like a cute little Milwaukee Bucks bear. So I know they say like you can't have like stuffed animals and stuff in the crib with the baby or in the little basket sleeping thing with the baby. I'm not gonna put it in there, but it comes with the little, it's holding a little blanket. He will be using this blanket. So it do come with a little blanket. Oh. So I had to get this. This was the first thing I put in the cart, was this little bear. Milwaukee Bucks bear. So that's the first thing. I'm gonna take him right there. The second thing that I got was the sizes on these. They didn't have no newborn like sizes, infant, little baby sizes. They didn't have that, but I think this is 12 months, so I guess that's like when he's about 1, he'll be able to fit this, but I don't care, he's still gonna wear it. This is it's like a little onesie. I'm gonna show you. I'm probably gonna end up putting everything back in these bags, in these little baggies, because I don't want nothing, I don't want it to get messed up with that. Yeah, so this is a little onesie, and it's like a little Milwaukee Bucks baby onesie. Aww. Yeah. So that's the second thing. This is this is size, this is 12 months, I think. So it's gonna be a minute before he can wear it, but I don't even care for real, because he got it, he gonna wear it. And y'all might see him in it. Okay, the next thing I got was this. This is like the Swaddle, the baby Swaddle thing, like that, how you swaddle the baby. That's what this is. I got this. I can use this when he get out. I mean, like when he come out, when he, when he's a little baby. This look kind of big. That look big. I feel like my baby ain't gonna be that big. I feel like this thing will swallow him up. So I'll take it out of the paper, but I still make sure to put it back in there. So yeah, it's like a little Milwaukee Bucks swaddle thing. Yeah, it's cute as It's not nothing on the back. It's got the Milwaukee Bucks on the front right there. So that's the, what was that, the 3? That's the 3rd thing that I got for him. That's cute. I'll put that back in there. The next thing is, I got these onesies. These are, what is, Milwaukee Bucks onesies. He ain't gonna be able to wear this stuff for a little minute unless he just grows fast and he just a little chunky butt. But because these is 18 months, but I do not care. I had to get it. I said I wanted it, so I just got it for him. All the stuff I get, he gonna wear. This is it's not just one. It has, I think, 3. I think it has 3 onesies with this. Came with. Yeah. So yeah, 3-piece creeper set. Yeah. So this is one of them. One of the onesies. And then here's another one. Okay. My court, my rules. What? Period. And then the middle one, I don't know what the middle one looks like. Oh, it's just a like that. And it got Milwaukee Bucks on it. So that's that. I'm gonna save the best thing. I have to save the best thing for last because that's cute. I have to save that for last. This is a towel and some bath rags. It's a hooded, 4-piece hooded towel with 3 washcloths in it. I'm not gonna take it out though, unless it's all tied. Should I take it out? I'm gonna take it out. It's 3 rags and a little towel. When I give him a bath, he bath. So this is that. Just a bath rag and towel. And I told y'all I didn't get a lot of stuff, so I'm on this is the last thing that I got him. And I had to get this because it was so cute. I was like, he has to have this. And I want my baby to play basketball anyway, because I used to play basketball. So we're gonna see if he wanna play basketball when he get older. But I'm gonna have him in something. He ain't finna be just running around not doing nothing when he get older. Okay, so this is the last thing I got. I'm gonna open it up. I ain't even gonna show y'all in the plastic. I'm gonna open it up first and then hold it up and show you. This is the last thing that I got this boy. I hope y'all can see it. I ain't never opened it up and like out of the paper or nothing to see what it looked like. It's just so little. But this is the last thing I got here. Was a Milwaukee little Giannis jersey. This is 12 months too. Jersey. Milwaukee. And that's what it looked like. This probably what this and the bear is probably my favorite things. Oh yeah. He a baby buck. Baby buck. This video ain't gonna be that long because I didn't have a lot of stuff. It's just a real quick unboxing of the Milwaukee Bucks attire, apparel, and stuff that I got him. So yeah, I'm ready for him to wear it. That's what I'm saying. It's like I want him to wear it. Like I wish he could fit it when he got out, because he'd be coming out in this. So if you enjoy this, first of all, I'm doing this video today because the Milwaukee Bucks play tonight. This is game 6. If they win, it's over with. It's over with. It's cutthroat for the Suns. It's over with. They'll win everything. And from what I heard, if they win, this city is not going to sleep because it's been 50 years since they done been in the finals. 50. So, yeah. I'm telling y'all, I done moved down here and they in the finals. It's make me just feel like I'm in the right place to be. Make me feel like that. So, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And, yeah, hit the thumbs up. Hit the bell so you don't miss an upload. Or you'll be notified every time I do upload. So, do that for me. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing video. That's not what I wanted to say. Mainly subscribe. My head hurts. I feel like I'm just talking all over the place. Okay. Excuse me. That's real nasty of you. Oh, it don't matter. I'll see y'all later in my next video. I don't know what it's gonna be. Bro. Shut up. Like, why would... What the fuck?